What's up, everybody? Michael Silva here, episode 73 of Live Day Trading. We're over here at ticker symbol BA again. Let's get into it. All right, good morning. It is 6:37 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see, the market has gapped down. BA here has gapped down, and what we're seeing here on the 1 minute chart is we saw the gap down and then we saw strength. Okay, this strength right here is known as a hammer candle, which is also somewhat of a reversal candle. Now we see the price moving up. Okay, very simple. We see the price moving up. This could be very well a dead cat bounce, but in order to verify this, we need to see a sign of weakness. Once I see that sign of weakness, which I believe might be around this green line, maybe just a little bit higher, we might see a sign of weakness where the price gets pushed down, making this a dead cat bounce. So once I get that sign of weakness, I'm going to go ahead and sell into it to capture some profits. I do think the price can come right back down to this blue line, which is 219.50 for that is the 50% retracement level on the Fibonacci. So I'm going to go ahead and try to capture in some profits where I see the weakness down to about that level. Let's go see what we can do. So that right there is our sign of weakness. I mean, the candle's almost done forming, but it just made a lower low on this candle. So this might very well be our sign of weakness. So let's go ahead and sell into that. I sold 500 shares into it. So my entry point is 223.75. And remember, I'm pretty aggressive here on these type of trades. So I'm going to go ahead and buy 100 shares back. Okay, so I just got rid of 400 of my shares. This is a very aggressive trade of mine. Boom, boom. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the remainder shares. All right, so I am out of that position. That was about 2 minutes, $453. Obviously use leverage on this trade to make that share size so big. $453 in a matter of just a couple of minutes. That's not typically what I do, right? I don't get levered up too much. However, when I do see good setups and areas where it's just like, you know, this kind of a gap down and push, and then you see that little bit of weakness, I know that I can capture some profits. Or I don't know for 100% certainty, but what I do know is that my odds are in my favor because there's a lot of ideals working for me. So that is exactly how I played it. I think the price can definitely come back down to this 50% retracement level, but with that position size, I mean, I hit $453 super quickly, so I'm going to take those profits and just move them along. I'm not going to wait for it to come down here or potentially to lose those profits. Now, what I could have done is I could have just removed, 300 shares or 400 shares and let the remainder go, but that's hard for me to do sometimes. Sometimes when I see these profits, it's hard for me to walk away. Whereas sometimes where it's, you might feel that if you have lost a lot of profits, it might be hard for you to walk away. So it can go both ways. Notice here how the price is continuing to drop. You might see some bouncy stuff taking place over here at the resistance level or the 50% retracement level. But there we go. That was today's live day trading here on Webull. Hope you all have a good morning and that you're having a good week. See you later.